Hey, this video is about line plots. So let's take a look at what a line plot looks like. Up at the top, you've got the title of your graph. And for this graph, we have the height of second grade students. So our title of our graph is second grade heights. Then we've got our horizontal axis or horizontal line. And then underneath our line, we've got our measurement data. So this is where you will put the inches of the children that you measured. And that data comes from right here. So we already have that data. We know that some children are 43 inches, 49 inches, 51 inches, 53 inches, and 54 inches. So that data has been added to the bottom of the horizontal axis. Then down here, we want to know, well, what is this data? And this is kid height in inches. That's what we're measuring. So we look at this data down here and we say, well, how many kids measure 43 inches? And we see that it's 2 kids measure 43 inches. So I'm going to come over here and grab my X, and I'm going to put 2 X's above 43 inches because 2 kids measured 43 inches. Next is 49 inches. We only have 1 kid that measured 49 inches. So I'm going to grab an X and put 1 since 1 kid measured 49 inches. 1 kid measured 51 inches. So again, I'm going to put 1 X because 1 kid measured 51 inches. 53 inches is next, and this time we have 3 kids. So I'm going to grab 3 X's. And I'm going to put 3 X's above 53 because we have 3 kids that measured 53 inches. And then our last X will go above 54 because 1 kid measured 54 inches. So if you were looking at this line plot, you should be able to tell someone that this is the inches that we measured. Kid height in inches is what we measured. And then you should be able to tell them that 2 kids measured 43 inches, 1 kid measured 49 inches, 1 kid measured 51 inches, 3 kids measured 53 inches, and 1 kid measured 54 inches.